Hello guys! This cake was a free gift cake to a friend of my husband. He's an old man. Every time we go in his shop to do some metal work, welding like that, he always give us a discount. So we decided to give him a free cake on his birthday. That was May 18, I think. And this is a late upload already. We gave him a 7x3 chocolate moist cake. And he didn't know that we gave him a cake. We delivered it to his house, and good thing he was there at the yard burning some leaves. So he was shocked and same time he's happy. He said, okay, thank you, and I almost have a birthday every year, so don't forget. Right? So that's it. It's a welding cake anyway, because that's what he does. He weld metals. It's his job, and he really likes my husband to visit him, but my husband don't like going people's houses. He just don't like gossiping. Kind of like that. And my husband like to drink also, so we just decided to give him cake. And I know, and we know he was happy. And I think I will stop my voiceover right here, and let's continue for the music. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and follow my page.